Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that Turkey was kicked out of the F 35 fighter procurement program when it went ahead and bought the S 400 missile defense system from Russia. Even though Turkey is ready to be out of the F 35 program for getting the S 400, its main intention right now is to get a response from the United States regarding the payment which has already been made. The Turkish President Erdogan is very eager to meet the United States President Joe Biden at the G20 meeting in Rome in order to discuss the F 35 project and get his opinion and next steps. The main agenda is to get a confirmation whether Turkey can rejoin the program and procure these F 35 fighters, or will it get the refund of already paid 1.4 billion US dollars. Even if the United States retains the sanctions which it has imposed on Turkey due to the purchase of the Russian S 400, Turkey's president made it very clear that there would be no turning back from the deal which Russia has made with Turkey for the S 400 advanced missile defense system. One thing the United States should remember is due to the removal of Turkey from the F 35 program, the price of engines which power these F 35 fighters would shoot up. Entire variants of F 35 fighter jets are powered using the Pratt & Whitney F 135 engines, and these engines get few of the components from Turkey, which now needs to be manufactured in the United States itself. The parts which were provided by the vendor of Turkey were of high quality but cheaper in cost. But if these parts were to be made in the United States, it would be costly and which would eventually increase the price of the engines. Looks like the United States made a big mistake by expelling Turkey from the F 35 program, which was ready to buy almost 100 F 35A conventional takeoff and landing models. Even though they expected to remove all the Turkish suppliers from the program by 2020, it looks like it would take until 2022 for all the contracts with Turkey companies to come to a close. United States is working with Pratt & Whitney on steps to address the projected cost growth to ensure the F-135 engines remain an affordable component of F-35 fighter jets. But not sure how much it would be possible until the parts are made in the United States or by other vendors in some other country. In order to overcome this problem, there are two possible solutions. One is to get back Turkey in the F 35 program, and this would be good for both the countries. Or else, expedite the engine components manufacturing outside Turkey to continue with the same cost for the aircraft. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.